guys, let's start from a unboxing. I have ordered a cube from Cublilo. Guess what is it? Okay, I have to going to open it with a knife. Okay, box has been opened. Wow, amazing! It's a Ghana RS. I have ordered it from Cublilo.com. Okay. They have given a pouch for me. I love red color. Tell what color you like in the comment section. Okay. Next. Wow. A solution pamphlet from GAN. All the companies have made a solution pamphlet, but GAN have a big solution pamphlet. Oh. Wow, it's like a very big shot. Okay, it's a chief of guide. Okay, it's a F2L, OLL, PLL. Okay, algorithms and layer by layer beginners method and how to solve them basically. Okay, now we have go to the box. Okay, let's take the cube. Wow. Okay. GAN RS. Okay. Let's remove the package. Oh, wow. Wow. The cube is amazing. Its turning speed is amazing. Wow, I like it. Without magnetic, but it is very super cool. I love this. Okay, we take a notice on the corner cuttings. Wow, awesome. Wow, cool. Now 45 degrees. Wow, it's cut 45 degree very easily. Next. Okay, it's the limit. Okay, next reverse corner cutting. Wow, line to line. Wow, line to line is very effortless. Wow, amazing. Okay, done. It can do corner cutting line to line. Okay, awesome cube. We notice that the color scheme is very awesome. You can see many cubes have no difference between orange and red, but we can differentiate orange and red very easily. It's awesome. Often more, GAN has started releasing such stickerless cubes because they have only stickered cubes, but nowadays they were releasing stickerless cube. Wow, honeycomb V2 interior, awesome interior. I love this cube. It's very awesome. The pieces are super cool. Wow, very tight. Okay, let's take a notice. The nut in the GAN RS we have only one nut, guess nut. Okay, it's a yellow guess with 0.6 and 0.8 and a 0. Okay, 0 means no, it will be removed. Okay, this is in the center caps. Okay, it's awesome. Later I will release a video when I tried for it for a week and I will tell you what the cube remains. Okay, I think this is the cube I love. Okay, this is a budget GAN, but its rate is around $16.99. in Cubicle and Speedcube shops. Okay, and in India this is 1000 rupees. Okay, this is I have ordered it from Cubililo.com. From Cubililo.com I have got special deals and discounts. Okay, this is very awesome. I will give you the link in the description. Thanks for watching, all new subscribers, and I want more subscribers. Please subscribe my channel and comment and like my videos. Thank you.